Well, buying a car can be stressful, but a local dealership wants to help women navigate that process. Joining me now is Shannon from McNeill Chevrolet, and tell us how you make it easier for women.
I would say the biggest thing that we make it easier on both our service and our sales side is that we have a diverse culture. We have women working on both sides, so a mom that's coming in, whether she's a working mom or a single mom, can feel comfortable seeing female faces, and it's not just a male prominent dealership, and it's just a relaxed feature.
And when you say on both sides, do you mean on the sales side and on the...
Sales and service. So you're coming in to get an oil change, you see our assistant service manager is a female, and it's almost like a peace of mind.
Absolutely, it makes you feel very, very comfortable.
Yeah.
Well, to learn more about McNeill Chevrolet, log on to 13abc.com and click on Moms Every Day. For Moms Every Day, I'm Kristian Brown.